Hi everyone, welcome to Mary's Kitchen YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna share a homemade corn tortilla recipe with you. I like to make this for my family. I don't need any professional techniques to make it. It's easy, soft, and absolutely delicious. Corn tortilla are healthier, it keeps you full longer. Even a lousy homemade corn tortilla is way much better than those round pieces of cardboard from the market. This recipe is 40% corn tortilla. You can make half corn flour with half all-purpose flour if you prefer. So with that, let's go ahead and get started with our dough. I start with some all-purpose flour, then I add some instant corn masa flour, and some baking powder, The hot boiled water will make the dough easier to be rolled out. I add half amount of hot boiled water and half amount of cold water. Then I combine with everything and knead it until there is no dry flour. By the way, it's super obvious if this seems dry. Add 1 tablespoon of water. Then I cover it up and let it sit for 10 minutes. Then I come back, knead it for a minute. The dough should end up with roughly texture. Now I'm going to divide and shape the dough. Each small one should be around 35 grams if you prefer to measure it. Then I give the pan nice spray. Place the dough in the baking pan and cover the dough with a wet towel. If you like your tortilla to be perfectly round, you can roll the dough out and use a bowl like me. You can even keep rolling if you would like it thinner. Look at that! Yes! Beautiful! Or just simply roll it out like this.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente. Con una pasión tan fuerte. Yo sigo cantando y sigo gozando.
I keep the tortillas in the pan and cover it with a wet towel before I cook them all. Then I heat up the pan with a medium heat and spray some oil. Cook each side for 30 seconds and then brush slightly some cool butter on each side. Cook them no more than 2 minutes. Then place them in the towel. The tortilla will stay moist and warm this way. You can use it to wrap up anything that you like. Next day, I used the leftover to make my son some omelet cheese wrap for breakfast. Some people call it quesadilla. It's absolutely delicious and great for family. Mary's kitchen note. 1. A wet towel is needed if you take a while to roll up all the dough and then cook. 2. The pan needs to be preheated for a minute. Try your best not to overcook the bread. 3. The tortillas will keep moist if you brush the bread slightly with oil. 4. The tortillas will continue to cook or steam in the towel. Use a kitchen towel to cover up all the tortillas. The tortillas will stay moist and warm for a while.